Okay, let's get started. Okay, so now first what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a section right here, and I'm just going to split it into two pieces. Then I'm just going to do one twist, just like that. And I'm going to grab a section right here, and I'm just going to drop it right in between these two. And then I'm going to put it, and twist again. Small section, right through, and flip. Small section, right through, twist. Then just going to do a regular rope twist. Okay, then I'm just going to secure that with an elastic. I mean, not an elastic, a bobby pin. Okay, and then I need another bobby pin. And if there's like a bump, all you have to do is just like pull it, and it's that simple. This hairstyle can work on all types of hair. It can work on really thick hair, and it can work on curly hair, straight hair, thin hair. Seriously, it'll work on any type of hair. And you can go all the way around your head. I've done it before, and it like all the way around. You could do another one right below it and add these strands in, or you could just like curl the waterfall pieces. I've done that before, and possibilities are endless with waterfall twists. They're so simple to do, yeah, it looks so cool. Seriously. Okay, well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe. Okay, bye. Hi everyone, it's AnnaDella and blah blah blah. Hello everyone, it's AnnaDella. That was weird. Hi everybody, it's AnnaDella, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial for blah blah blah.